Welcome to Trueluv's Corner, where purpose meets love, and Jesus is the center of it all. Let's go. Love ya. This is Trueluv's Corner, yeah. Shining His light, spreading love everywhere. Yeah, Jesus at the center, purpose in the air. Come on, hit subscribe, don't just stare. Call and respond, likes, follow, like, and share. We're on a mission and we care. This part can be sung, rap with a bounce. Devotionals, daily wisdom to grow, faith and fashion. Let your confidence show. Kingdom, marriage, purpose and light. We're building up lives by God's holy way. Trueluv, that's the place where I'm gonna be. On WhatsApp, TikTok, Thread, and IG. Follow Trueluv's Corner, that's the key. It's more than a channel, it's a movement, more than content. It's a calling, where hearts are healed, minds renewed, and destinies unlocked. Subscribe, share, shine with Trueluv's Corner. Want to think, got to do, quick is the need. One love, subscribe, hey.